Hello everyone. In this quick tech video, I'm going to show you how to use the translation feature in Microsoft Word. To begin with, I'm going to open up a text document that I wish to translate. Along the top drop-down, if I come over to where it says Review, I can see under Language that I have a Translate option. If I click on Translate, I can translate a selection of the document, or I can have it translate the entire document. For this example, I'm going to translate just the section. Once I left-click on this, the translator box appears on the right-hand side of the screen. In this box, there are two text boxes, the Translate From and the Translate To box. Since I'm translating this from English, under the top portion, I want to translate from English. I could change this to a different language if that's what my document was in. For this example, I want to translate to French. Of course, if I click on the drop-down menu, there are several other options that I could use to translate to. Once this box is open, I can simply click and highlight some options, and I can see what I've selected and see what it translates to. I can even see the individual translations of individual words by highlighting them over. Once I have my selection picked, simply say Insert, and I can see in the document it is changed to the translated into French. For this part of the example, I have a document that is in a language that I'm unfamiliar with. In this case, I'm going to come back up to Review and Translate. And this time, I'm going to tell it I want to translate the entire document. Again, under the translator, I can tell it to auto-detect the language that it's translating from, since I do not know what language this is. But I wish to translate it into English, so I'll bring up the drop-down menu and select English. Now I will click on Translate. And as I can see, the entire document has now been translated into the English language. Thank you for watching.